Next, how to download team and player data PDF. So you have to go to players, and here you can select which category you want, and also whether bidded data or non-bidded, and you can click on print PDF. Okay. Next, if you want to select mail category, you can select mail and all and print PDF. So now you can see mail player data. Now why it is showing only the name and register number? Because of the settings. So if you want to add other details, you have to go to the LED display option and then enable whatever the options that you want to take in the PDF. So if I want to take an address, then give a label of address, then the specification, write the label of specification and submit. Now if you go to player and download as a PDF, you can see all the details. So now I can see other details. So in this way, you can take whatever the details you want. Okay, this is player. And for the teams, you have to go to team option and click on print button. Here you can download the team PDF one by one. Okay. Yeah. So this is how you can download all the players and team PDF from our platform. After